Here's how to install NetMirror on your laptop, Windows, or Mac. Go to the official BlueStacks website and download the installer matching your operating system. Open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts, keeping the default options for the smoothest setup, and allow any permission requests needed to complete installation. Launch BlueStacks once installed. On first open, you will go through a brief setup and be asked to sign in to your Google Play Store account. This is required for Android services to function properly inside the emulator. With BlueStacks open, use its built-in browser and type netmirror.app directly into the address bar to go to the official site safely. Find the download button for the app file and click it. BlueStacks will typically detect the Android installation file automatically and prompt you to install it. Confirm the installation and approve any permission prompts that appear. Once finished, the NetMirror icon will appear on your BlueStacks home screen. Click it any time to launch and follow any on-screen setup the app itself requires. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.